Hey warriors, focus is the sharp edge of life. Without it, even the strongest person can lose direction. When you lose focus, your mind drifts like a boat without a compass, lost in waves of distraction. But when your focus is strong, you can cut through the noise, overcome doubts, and build a powerful, meaningful life. Most people don't fail because they lack strength or intelligence. They fail because they lose their focus. The world constantly tries to steal your attention through noise, temptations, notifications, and other people's opinions. The Stoics knew this long ago. Marcus Aurelius said, "You have power over your mind, not outside events." Realize this, and you will find strength. Your focus is your power, the ability to direct your energy toward what truly matters. Focus isn't about working harder, it's about being clear on what deserves your time and refusing to waste it. Seneca said, "It is not that we have a short time to live, but that we waste much of it." When your focus is scattered, life feels wasted. But when your focus is strong, life feels full and endless. Imagine yourself as an archer. The world around you is noisy, but you breathe, see the target clearly, and release your arrow with confidence. That is focus. The Stoic path teaches you to guard your mind like a fortress, cut away what weakens you, master one task at a time, and shape your environment so it supports your goals. Focus is a daily choice. Every day, you decide where your attention goes, and that decision shapes your destiny. As Epictetus said, "You become what you give your attention to." So protect your focus, because it is your power. In a world where everyone moves fast, the person who can stay calm and still holds the greatest power, control of their mind. Marcus Aurelius practiced this every morning by sitting in silence and writing to himself. He believed that the most peaceful place is within your own soul. Today, stillness is rare because the world is full of noise, distractions, and constant stimulation. But without stillness, your focus becomes weak. The Stoics taught that silence strengthens the mind, just like exercise strengthens the body. Stillness isn't about meditating for hours. It's about taking small moments to return to yourself. 5 quiet minutes before your day starts, a deep breath when life feels chaotic, or reminding yourself, "I control my mind, nothing outside controls me." Each time you bring your attention back to the present, your focus grows stronger, like training a muscle. The Stoics used silence to prepare for challenges, face fears, and remember what truly matters. You can do the same by sitting quietly for a few minutes daily. No phone, no noise, just your thoughts. Over time, you'll feel a new inner strength, unshakable focus. Stillness isn't emptiness, it's awareness. It's how you take back your mind and use it with purpose. Once you train your focus through stillness, it becomes your greatest weapon. When distractions or problems arise, don't let them break you. Use them as fuel. Like fire that burns stronger with more wood, challenges can sharpen your mind if you let them. Every obstacle can either destroy your focus or strengthen it. The choice is yours. Finally, live by daily rituals, not impulses. The Stoics believed structure creates freedom. Simple habits, waking early, journaling, quiet reflection, or setting fixed work times, give your mind rhythm and direction. Motivation comes and goes, but rituals build lasting focus. When you live with order and discipline, you don't just survive distractions, you master them. Focus becomes natural, strong, and unstoppable. Your focus is not only stolen by the world around you, but also by the voice inside your mind. Negative thoughts, fears, and overthinking can drain your energy faster than any outside distraction. The Stoics understood this and trained themselves to control their inner dialogue. Epictetus taught that it's not what happens to you that matters, but how you think about it. If your thoughts are chaotic, your focus will be too. But if your thoughts are calm and steady, your focus becomes strong. When negative thoughts appear, Don't fight them, replace them. Say, I will stay with this until it's done, instead of, I can't do this. Marcus Aurelius practiced this by journaling every day to guide his thoughts and silence the inner noise. You can do the same by writing down your fears and replacing them with truth. Your inner voice can either weaken you or make you unstoppable. Focus is also physical. A tired or unhealthy body cannot hold a sharp mind. The Stoics trained their bodies to support their focus. Seneca said we must treat the body strictly so it obeys the mind. Sleep well, eat healthy food, move daily, and spend time in nature. These simple habits clear your mind and strengthen your focus. A strong body helps you build a strong spirit. Finally, live each day as if focus decides everything, because it does. The Stoics reminded themselves that life is short and time is precious. Distraction doesn't just waste minutes, it wastes meaning. If you focus on what truly matters each day, your life becomes purposeful and powerful. Each morning, ask, what deserves my attention today? And each night, ask, did I focus on what mattered most? When you live this way, distractions lose their power, and your days become filled with clarity and purpose. The Stoics, Marcus Aurelius, Epictetus, and Seneca, all faced chaos, yet stayed strong because of their focus. They guarded their minds, trained their bodies, and lived with discipline. You can do the same. Protect your thoughts, live with intention, and focus on what matters most. Remember, focus is your power, your strength, and your destiny. Every day, choose to sharpen it, because your focus creates your future.